Let's make dinner chef Don style. Nice and easy peasy. Anybody can cook. Use turkey or chicken. I'm using chicken. So few vegetables to cut. Onion, carrot, ginger, garlic. So let's make dressing now. To make dressing, using olive oil. This is pink sea salt. You can use any salt, whatever you like. I like this one, so I'm using this one. Cracked pepper. Fresh lemon juice in the dressing. Soya sauce. You can use mix ups now or you can use later on. I'm going to use later on. It's completely up to you. Whisk it at least for 5 seconds. All we need a nice and thick dressing. So this dressing we're going to rub on top of this chicken. To marinate our chicken, we're going to use this dressing to marinate, and we'll keep at least for 4 hours. The reason we have to keep 4 hours, so all the flavor of that sauce need to get involved in the chicken, so you can get a nice, a juicy, a tasty roast, Chef Don style roast flavor. A few vegetables to stick inside the chicken. Put few ginger and garlic as well, so you get a nice flavor when you slice the chicken. And some vegetables around chicken as well. So when you roast this chicken, you have some vegetables to enjoy as well. So few mixed herbs I'm going to use thyme or rosemary if you like to use fresh rosemary or thyme, but I'm using mixed herbs. That's it. The more you're going to marinate, the more tasty your chicken will be. So we're gonna use a few vegetables as well. So I'm using cauliflower and broccoli, a mushroom. I'm gonna pan fry. Carrot, I'm gonna dice. So just to attract kids, I'm gonna use my fancy knife. So the kids gonna love as well. So we have to do this kind of dramas to attract kids. It's look like a chips, so the kids love it. So we have to do some fancy cuts. Potato veggies, we're gonna roast them. Olive oil, salt, pepper, mixed herbs. Leave about 5 to 10 minutes for marinade and then roast. So these are the vegetables we're gonna use with chicken for our Christmas dinner. Nice and beautiful. So the oven is preheat now. It's been 5 minutes, so the chicken goes in. And on the bottom of the chicken, I'm gonna put potato veggies. So whatever vegetable you like to roast, you can stick in there, but make sure you don't put anything on top of the chicken. I'm using green tomato. That's the way I'm gonna grill my tomatoes. Grilled tomatoes look so nice and juicy. It's very tasty as well, and the color combination goes very well with the chicken. So I'm using silver foil to cover our chicken, otherwise get burnt. So we'll blanch the vegetables now. Carrot is ready. French beans to go. French beans is ready now. I'm gonna grill French beans with some salt, pepper. Blanch cauliflower and broccoli. Make sure when you blanch the broccoli, blanch only for 5 seconds, gentlemen, ladies. Let's check if the chicken is cooked. So I'm using toothpick to check the chicken if it's cooked. There's a water coming out, so that means the chicken is not cooked. So put the foil on top of the chicken, back in the oven. So a few butter, little bit butter, vegetable in the pot. Stir a few minutes. It's about 2 minutes is enough for that because the vegetable is cooked already. So I'm going to pan fry the mushroom with the lid on. All we need a nice brown color. French beans, I'm going to grill like this. Need a little bit color. Look like our chicken is ready now. Let's check it. Yeah, that's it. Our chicken is ready. We have to cook for 45 minutes, 180 degree, and your chicken will be ready like this. It's nice and easy. Color looks so beautiful. Use vegetables like this for presentation. Use your way. This is my way. It's a quick family dinner. The kids gonna love it. Let's slice and check how it looks. Wow, look at that. Nice and tender. Wow, wow. Yeah. Look, see? Everything is perfectly cooked. So this is all, gentlemen, ladies. Enjoy your marvelous day. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.